Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add background music to a video on Capcut. How to add background music in Capcut actually. The first thing you do is open up your Capcut, tap on new project. Let's say it's particularly I need background music for. Instead of a video, let's say I want to do it for a picture. Now, pick the picture I want to add the background music for. Let's use this one. Tap on add, then tap on add audio. So you choose the sound you want. Tap on it. And you tap on add. So now when you play it, don't forget, if it's a picture you have to drag it to the end of the music, or if the music is too long you can cut it out. Now you don't want to use a picture, let's say you want to use a video, you can simply tap on it like this to highlight it, and then you go over here, scroll to, keep scrolling until you see replace, tap on replace, and then I choose the video I want to use. Let's do this for example. So now when I play, oh, don't forget to the background music, you can make it louder, like the volume. It's as simple as that.